Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where guys fuses and relays are located for the side mirrors guys. Okay, for the rear view mirror on Mercedes C-Class, right here, that C-Class generation W205. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can expect to find them. We'll talk about that. By the way guys, do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix to fix your mirror that doesn't work. We'll explain what you need to check, and if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. For the power mirrors guys, let's explain quickly which fuses and relays you need to check. We'll need to check up to 4 of them. Now guys, quick advice, 9 out of 10 owners do not know that there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes, and you have up to 6 hidden fuse boxes. That's why we made a video on our YouTube channel that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. It's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram video that can save you a lot of money guys. What we need to do now here, we need to open the passenger door. When you do that, here on the side of the passenger side, on the A-pillar, on the trim, let me open a different angle, you can see it a little bit clearer. Right here guys, right here you are going to have one cover. Open that cover and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them, but it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here guys, specifically what we will need to check, let's talk about that now. 2 fuses, we're talking about, okay, that one on the bottom is 301 that's missing, but the next one 302 and 303, these 2 fuses will need to be checked guys. Okay, then you need to open the trunk on your Mercedes. Okay, lift that carpet liner up. Underneath on the right side you have a cover, kind of like a fabric cover that you need to lift up, and right underneath is the main trunk fuse box. Here you need to check fuse 406 and 408. Now, if the mirror still does not work guys, after checking these fuses, you may want to check fuses and the relays for the rear SAM module. This is SAM module guys, fuses, relays. We'll have the video on the channel for the rear SAM module. That's very important functions for the body. It's kind of like the body control module. You have front and rear ones, but the rear one most likely controls the mirror function. So check these fuses, relays, and we'll have a video on the channel that will explain why mirror does not work on Mercedes W205, and it will teach you what to check, what to test, and what we see quite often here at the garage. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.